today's video is about winter outfits. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni here, and if you're new to this channel, I welcome you and I want to tell you that my channel is all about how to create cheap DIYs at home and how to create different outfits with few clothes. So today's video is about winter outfits, and yeah, I'm really excited for this video, so let's get started. So here's our first outfit, my plain black gown. I've paired it up with a white plain turtleneck inside it. So if you have sleeveless dresses, you can layer it in winters, and I'm going to pair them up with this black belt. It is going to give amazing touch instantly. And now we are going to pair it up with this long sweater coat. This color is like so pretty. The whole outfit is looking so amazing. Do let me know in the comments below if you like this outfit, and if you don't want to wear a sweater, it's totally fine. You can pair it up with your coat as well, but I think that this sweater look outfit is looking really amazing. And this is a perfect winter outfit because the sweater is really nice. And I'm going to pair them up with these sandals. And here's our first outfit. You can also pair them up with boots if you want to, like I have ankle length boots as well, but I feel these sandals will give a very dressy and girly type of look to this whole outfit. I'm going to pair my sling bag along with this. This olive green sling bag is looking so classy on this outfit. And please let me know in the comments below if you like the first outfit. I am really enjoying this video. So here's our second outfit. I've paired my backless dress with a turtleneck. So we are using the same turtleneck which we used earlier for our first outfit. So it's winter, so we have to do a lot of layering. And also if you have sleeveless dresses, you can layer it with turtleneck. And this is like a shawl. So it is a black shawl, but it has colorful prints on it. So look what we are going to do. You can also wear it like this, but I have another option. And if you want to learn easy winter hacks, then there'll be a link popping up on your screen right now. Click on that link and I'm sure you're going to enjoy easy winter hacks, and you must try all of them. So this is one from that video itself. So we have just taken the shawl and then I am just wearing my belt above it. It instantly changes the look of your whole outfit, you see. And if you want to style a dress for office wear, this is the perfect look. So I'm just going to pair it up with this long coat, and see, it is looking so amazing. This is a perfect winter office look, and I really love the whole outfit. Do let me know in the comments below if you'd really love to wear this one for an office wear or maybe for a semi formal wear as well. And you can also pair it up with any different coat if you want to. And here's another outfit. So I've just paired it up with a turtleneck, one spaghetti dress, and pairing up with my stockings and my ankle length boots. And I'm going to pair it up with a very new winter shrug, and it has fur near the neckline area, and this is looking so amazing. I really love the color and the whole touch of this shrug. This is like a perfect winter outfit look. And also, if you don't want to wear a sweater, it's totally fine. You can pair it up with the coat as well. Even coat look amazing for winter outfits look. And this is our outfit. So it actually has two ribbons. So what I'm going to do it, we are just going to tie a knot in front, and you can also keep it open if you want to. If you have something which has ribbons, like a long shrug or a jacket which has ribbons in front, then what you can do is you can also keep it open, or maybe the second option is you can tie a knot. And I actually have third option as well. Just wait for it. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to wear this outfit for a winter look. I mean, I'm just loving this outfit. So do let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying this video, and please press that subscribe button. And look what we are going to do. So for the third option, what do you feel? I'm just guess what we are going to do. Alright, so I'll just show you. So here's the third option, you just have to take the ribbons and then on the back side you have to tie a knot, so that now the ribbons on the back side and your front side is open, so it really gives a very classy look. You see, it is looking like it's actually a jacket which is open from the front side. And here's the last outfit. This is my favorite winter dress. I'm going to pair them up with my long socks, and if you're not comfortable in stockings, it's totally fine. You can pair them up with black legging as well. Leggings also look very amazing for winter outfits, and I'm going to pair them up with my long socks. And now here's the fourth look. I just love this dress. I mean, it is so cute and I just love it. So now we are going to pair them up with my black shoes, and if you want you can also pair them up with ankle length boots as well, but I feel these shoes are really going to look amazing on this outfit. And here's our last outfit. Do let me know in the comments below if you're enjoying this video, and please press that subscribe button. Let's learn and grow together. So the other option is, if you don't want to wear a dress like this, you can also pair it up with a coat. And in winter, layering is the best option. So this coat is looking so amazing. This black coat is going really well with this whole outfit, and I'm going to wear my belt to give it a very classy touch to the whole outfit. And if you want, you can also pair it up with any color coat or jacket. Do let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this outfit. I enjoyed creating different winter outfits with you all, and if you've liked this video and it has been of any use, please hit that like button and comment below which outfit would you like to wear. And if you're new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so that next time I post any video you'll get notifications, because this year I am dedicated to make daily videos to keep you all inspired about how to create outfits with few clothes and how to create fashion hacks, how to make DIYs in a very cheap way that will save your money. And see you in the next video with something really amazing. Bye bye.